Good morning, children. Children, our next topic in maths is perimeter and area. As you can see here, perimeter and area. Now, first I will teach you what is the meaning of perimeter. Now, children, these are new words for you. Okay, listen carefully to the explanation. Now, as you can see this, I have drawn a figure. Okay, and it is a square. Now you all know a square has four sides. Now here our side is side AB, side BC, side CD and side DA. Now you also know that all the sides of a square have the same measurement. Okay. Now look at this. Side AB. It is 5 centimeters. Now here BC is also 5. DC is also 5. And AD is also 5. So a square has 4 sides and the length of each side is also the same. See here, I have written the spelling square. Now you have to find the perimeter of this square. Now, what is the meaning of perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of the length of all the 4 sides of the square. Now, what is the meaning of sum? S-U-M, sum. Sum of the length of all the 4 sides of the square. Sum means the addition. Okay, the total length of all the 4 sides of the square. So now look here what I have done. Perimeter is equal to, now first we'll look here, 5. So I wrote here 5 plus, okay, you have to add, plus your 5, I wrote 5 again, plus. Now 5, I wrote here 5 plus. And the last side is 5. So 5. So you are going to add all this. 5 plus 5, that is 10, plus 5, that is 15, plus 5, that is 20. So, and you also should be very careful. Here it is 5 centimeters. So your answer also will be in centimeters. Okay, so the perimeter of this square is 20 centimeters. Now children, look at this next figure. Now this is a rectangle. Okay, and you all see here, I have written the spelling rectangle. And you know that opposite sides of a rectangle have the same length. Now look at this side here. Side AB, this is the first one. Next is side BC. Next is side DC. And the next one, the fourth side, is side AD. Now look at the measurements. I have written it for you. Side AB is 8 centimeters. And side DC is also 8 centimeters. So opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Now look here. AD is 4 centimeters. BC is also 4 centimeters. So these are the two opposite sides. So if here it is 4, here also it will be 4. And if here it is 8, here also it will be 8. So opposite sides are equal. Now you have to find the perimeter of this figure. And remember children, I told you perimeter is the sum of the length of all the 4 sides. So you have to add. You have to add all the 4 measurements. Okay, so see I have written perimeter is equal to, so we'll begin from here. 8 centimeters, I wrote 8. Come here. 4 centimeters, so I wrote 4. 8 centimeters, I wrote 8. and the last 4 centimeters I wrote 4. So 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4. So you are going to add all this. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. And here again it is centimeters. So your answer also will be in centimeters. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 24 centimeters. Now children, look at this figure. Okay, this is a triangle. I have written the spelling here, triangle. Now this figure does not have 4 sides like the square and the rectangle. Okay, you all know that a triangle has only 3 sides. Now this is side XY, this is side ZY, and this is side XZ. Okay, only 3 sides. A triangle has only 3 sides. Now look at the measurements. XY is 5 centimeters, ZY is 7, and XZ is 3. Okay, in this figure, all the sides have different measurements. Now you have to find the perimeter of this triangle. Now you all know perimeter is the sum of the lengths. Okay, now here there are only 3 sides. So the perimeter will be sum of the length of all the 3 sides of the triangle. So now see, I wrote perimeter is equal to, now we'll begin from here. 5 centimeters, I wrote 5. 5 plus 7 centimeters, I wrote 7 plus 3 centimeters, I wrote 3. So you're going to add all this. Okay. So 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So the perimeter of this triangle is 15 centimeters. Okay, so children, I finished explaining today about perimeter.